Welcome to ASL Lessons for Beginners, easy step-by-step guide to American Sign Language with Sign Tribe Academy. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. In this video, we'll be teaching you the basics of signing in American Sign Language. Let's get started. Step 1. Learn the ASL alphabet. The alphabet consists of 26 hand shapes, each representing a letter of the English alphabet. Take your time to memorize each letter and practice signing them correctly. Step 2. Master the basic signs. Start by learning common words like hello, thank you, goodbye, and practice these signs until you feel comfortable with them. Step 3. Understand facial expressions and body language. Remember that ASL relies not only on hand movements, but also facial expressions and body language. Pay attention to the emotions conveyed while signing. Step 4. Practice finger spelling. Finger spelling is the process of signing out words letter by letter. Start by finger spelling simple words and gradually progress to ones that are more complex. This skill will greatly expand your vocabulary. Step 5. Use resources to enhance your learning. Utilizing online videos, ASL dictionaries, and interactive websites to enhance your learning experience. Practice regularly to improve your fluency and retention. Step 6. Immerse yourself in the deaf community. Immerse yourself in the deaf community to engage with native signers, attend deaf events, join signing clubs, or connect with deaf individuals online. This will provide invaluable practical and cultural understanding of American Sign Language. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps to learn ASL. Remember, practice is key, but keep signing and building your skills. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others, just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.